Swadika. I
Thank you for visiting my shop.
do you have something in chicken?
Yeah, every soup you can eat in there. No have. This chicken in curry. This beef curry. This sorry chili.
Only chicken, right?
This
This one chicken.
chicken beef.
Okay.
This no pork. We can eat chicken meat or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello.
So guys, this is the food which we get from Oil Noodle Lady. This is the complimentary salad as well as green Thai curry with some noodles. Really, really good.
Spicy for you or not?
No, 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 no. I like more spicy.
Oh, really?
I eat too much chili.
You can this put chili.
I can eat.
Really?
I eat sometimes too much spicy.
Oh. So awesome. Bamboo.
This is beef
Yeah, beef.
with bamboo.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's that?
Huh?
What's this?
Ah. Nam ya pa soup. Nam ya pa soup. Making from ginger,
Okay,
and lemon cat and onion and beef.
okay.
Smoothie.
And what's this?
This chili dip sweet soup made from beef and chicken and sweet pangsuka.
Okay.
Red.
And that one green Thai curry?
Yeah.
Green Thai curry. And what's that?
This red curry coconut milk is fish ball. This have fish ball.
Fish ball.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. She's telling her subscribers to subscribe my channel also. So cute.
Airport.
Passport.
Passport.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't have passport?
Yeah.
You have?
Never go outside Thailand.
You never go outside Thailand? Never?
Only in Thailand. Home shop, Ayutthaya.
He barely gets to ITM where I am.
I never go, but my dream, I want to go Japan and Singapore.
Japan and Singapore. Singapore is so near, no? Only 2 hours from here.
But yes, but I don't have passport.
Go get your passport.
Have a safe trip.
Bye bye. Take care.